welcome. Ano na naman niya, Natalia? Welcome sa another vlog. So, ngayon na lang ulit ako nag-vlog, guys. Kasi nagkasakit po ang inyong momshi. Yan, nagkasakit po ako for 2 days. Hindi ba halata na nagkasakit ako? Ay, wait lang. Ayan. Hindi ba halata? Nagkasakit ako. Ano yung aking mga mata? Hinawaan po ako ng aking asawa. So, hinawaan niya ako. So, anyways, ayun, hinawaan ako ng asawa ko. Nagkasakit siya nung Thursday. And then, sakit siya all the way to, Thursday, Friday. 2 days siya nagkasakit. And then, ako naman, nung Saturday ng tanghali, dun ko naramdaman na masama yung pakiramdam ko. And, ayun. So, as in talagang, ngayon na lang ako naging okay. Yeah. Here's the last one. Papasubo to si Ate Kaylee. Wait nga lang. So, ayan nga guys. So, nagkasakit ako. And, simula nagkasakit ako, hindi pa ako kumakain ng maayos. Ganun siguro talaga, no, pag may sakit ka, ang gusto mo lang is matulog. Pero, dahil nanay tayo, mahirap matulog. But, nakatulog ako ng medyo matagal-tagal nung kahapon ba yun? Yeah, nung kahapon, nung pagkatapos ko pakainin ng lunch yung mga anak ko, pinabayaan nila ako kasi sabi ko sa kanila masama pakiramdam ko. So, walang gumising sa akin. And then, kagabi, nagpakain sa kanila, daddy nila, kasi maaga nakauwi yung asawa ko galing ng work. And, yun, huh?
Gotta bring the game. I'll get so bored.
Well, just bring something.
Ah!
So, ngayon na lang ako kakain, guys, and tatry kong kumain ng rice and tuna. Dahil, talagang yung ng aking sikmura is talagang sobrang empty. Malamig yung kanin ko, hindi ko ininit. Wait nga, initin ko yung kanin ko. Ang lamig eh. So, ayan. Medyo mainit na siya ng konti. So, tuna lang yung tinry kong kainin muna ngayon. Kasi, so, nabanggit ko ba sa inyo guys na in-enroll ko si Troy, well, sinign up ko si Troy for, football. Nung nag-sign up ako kay Caleb sa football, sinabi ko sa kanila about nangyari kay Troy na nabalian nga siya ng braso. And sabi nila, okay na, pwede pa din naman siyang mag-join kasi yung football na sasalihan ni Troy is, lang siya, parang like football flag. So, hindi sila hahawak ng bola, no. Yeah, hindi sila hahawak ng bola kasi kaya tinatawag na flag kasi nakaipit, dito sa may bewang nila yung flag ng kalaban at saka flag nila. So, yun yung hihilain mo. It's yung flag. So, walang ball or walang, kasi talagang mini, lang to. Mga palang saling bulilit lang sila. Parang ganun. Well, it's there. You gotta charge it up. So, yun yung, yung sinalihan, yung, kasi, hindi ko pa kasi sinabi sa inyo yun. Kasi, gusto ko munang ma-sure na talagang okay na siyang mag-play. until na ma-clear out siya sa doctor dun sa kanyang sa orthopedic na doctor. Ayan, nung sinabi niya na pwede nang siyang mag-play ng sports, pero lay low muna siya sa trampoline. Yun ang sinabi ng doctor sa kanya. So yun, sinign up ko siya, and nagbayad ako ng $70. $75 kay Caleb, 70 kay Troy, kasi magkasama, dalawa yung sinign up ko, so merong $5 discount. And then yun, kaya yun, ngayon ang kanilang practice. O, diba? Ngayon ko lang sinabi sa inyo, ngayon din ang practice, o, diba? And alam nyo ba, sobrang kasi sobrang kasi okay na yung pakiramdam ko. Kasi kung hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ko, walang maghahatid sa kanila sa first practice nila. And tomorrow pa yung day off ng asawa ko. And then may ballet din si Natalia tomorrow. So, it's gonna be a busy summer. Dahil nag-start na yung sports, ganyan. Si Chad, wala pa siyang sports kasi hindi pa niya alam kung ano talaga yung gusto niya. Pero next year, isa-sign up ko siya ulit sa basketball. Kasi I think parang gusto niya yung basketball. Hindi kasi kagaya ng dito sa Pilipinas. Sa Pilipinas is all the way year. Pwede kang mag-play ng Okay, go. Pwede kang mag-play ng basketball all year round. Dito kasi merong season. By season kasi yan. Ngayon, ang season is football. And then, next year, I think ngayon ang season is football, baseball. I think yun yung season ngayon. And then, next year, it's basketball, soccer. Kasi nga dahil summer na yun round na siya ng summer, kaya ganon. So, hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas na you can play basketball all year round. Dito talaga may season talaga. Kasi we have 4 season. We have summer, fall, winter, spring. Yun. But anyway, so yun. Na-sign up ko na sila. And today yung first practice nila. And medyo kinakabahan ako kasi sabi sa weather app, it's gonna be raining. And hindi gusto ni Troy yung rain. As in, umiiyak talaga siya pag umuulan. Kunting mapatakan lang siya ng ulan, natatakot siya. So, nung isang araw, diba, binasa sila ng lola nila ng hose. Sinasanay na siya ng lola niya na mabasa. Pero sabi naman niya, hindi naman daw siya iiyak. Wait lang, may batang mag-bathroom. So, ayun. So, today ang practice nila, 6 to 8 yung practice nila today. And, yeah. So, sabi sa weather app is gonna be raining. Ayan. Ayan, o. Kung makikita nyo. Ayan. Sabi na, ayan, ito. Ayan, mag-rain. So, alam nyo ba, last year, ganyan din yung first day ng kanilang, nanilo. Patay na nilo. Yung kanilang first practice nila, umulan din. Kung sa Pilipinas, tag-ulan din. Tag-ulan din dito ngayon. As in, kaninang umaga lang, sobrang lakas ng ulan. As in, ang dilim-dilim. Grabe yung patak ng ulan. Nakala mo wala ng But yun, Ito yung first na sport ni Troy. And I'm hoping na magugustuhan niya. So, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Troy, are you excited? No? Are you excited?
Yes.
My didn't
I'm ready to go back to football.
You're excited?
I'm almost favorite.
So, for now, sinabi nila it's
Come on, people.
shirt and short lang yung susuotin muna ngayon. So, si Kuya, ayan, ang dami nating kalat, guys. But,
Stay here or come with us? Why are you?
so, madaming kalat, but hindi ko i-force ang sarili ko na magligpit kasi baka pag finors ko yung sarili ko na maglinis and everything, baka mas lalo pa tayong hindi gumaling.
No, it's serious.
So, ayan, madami tayong kalat.
Okay.
But, so, iyahatid tayo. Hindi ko alam kung anong, kasi iyahatid tayo ni mother-in-law dahil, alam niyo naman, yung car ko is hindi pa fix. Hindi siya pwedeng sa mga rain. So, ayan guys, dito na kami. We're here. Momo's here too. Caleb, are you okay with that? There you go. Carry it. There you go. Alright, let's go find a spot here. I don't know where we're supposed to go, so. Alright, let's just wait, I guess. So, yan na guys. Inano siya ng lola niya. Nahihiya daw siya. And Kuya Caleb is waiting for his team. Yan, nandito na tayo.
I could just call the coach.
Huh?
I could just.
That's not your coach. That's not your coach. That's your old coach. You got a new coach. So, yan, ano daw ni Caleb. Tatalunin daw ni Caleb yung cone. Dali! Go!
I don't want to.
One! Dali! It's starting to rain na, guys. Go!
There's no way I can
Yeah, exercise. Run, Troy! Run! Brock. Yan si Troy na. Troy, you don't know what your life left or right? Yan si Caleb, guys. Si Caleb, Ayan si Troy. Run, Troy, run! Look at her. Look at this girl. And then Kuya Chad is so busy with his phone. You're gonna get dizzy. Oh, sige ka. You're gonna get dizzy. And it's about to rain, guys. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Ayan na, uulan na. So, yeah, it's okay. Don't be scared of the rain. Ouch! Say hi, everybody.
Hi everybody, and this is Hello Kitty.
Yeah, matchy kami today. Got a Hello Kitty. And she's wearing Hello Kitty. Matchy. Where you going? How was it? You like it? You're tired? First day pa lang. This is your first day, dude.
Yeah.
There's Caleb. Chad, really?
Give me the water.
Give you some water. Get your water.
I was just giving you a hug. Why did you have to do that?
He's thirsty.
How was it?
Chad, get off.
Really?
How's your first day? You tired? Huh? How's your first day? Good? You like it? Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go home. Chad, don't eat that no more. Jeez. Alright, Chad, come on. You said you're gonna bring these. Oh, I was gonna bring that.
Oh, well.
Hello, dear.
Hello, dear.
Only one chair.
Look, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And even
Dami, oh.
mommy one.
And the daddy. See, the daddy's got antlers. See their horns?
Dami nila, oh.
There's daddy's.
Free!
There's kiddos too. Cleo rabbit, Sissy rabbit, and Troy rabbit.
They're not rabbit.
It's deer.
Hi guys. So, tulog na yung mga bata. Pag uwi namin guys, sobrang nakakaloka. Especially first day ng practice today. As in, nakakaloka. But, anyways, so tulog na sila. And, inom lang ako ng gamot para to make sure na okay na talaga ako. And okay naman ako, but gusto ko lang ulit uminom ng gamot na para maging okay na tayo. 100%. Yes. So, patutulog na tayo. Tira natin yung mga ilaw. So, tomorrow guys, mag-aano tayo ng ating hair. Ipapafix natin ang ating hair. Ayan, kita nyo naman. Ayan, so, meron akong mommy me time tomorrow. Tanong yung kuko ko guys, ang haba na. Hindi natin gugupitan. Napakaganda niya. But anyway, so meron akong mommy me time tomorrow. And kasama ko ang aking mother-in-law. So siya yung lagi kong kasama pagka nag-ano ako ng hair. And sabi niya yun daw yung pinaka best moment naming dalawa is yung nagpapaayos kami ng hair. So yun, meron tayong mommy me time tomorrow for a couple of hours. And then dahil tomorrow is Tuesday, merong ballet dance si Natalia, so magiging busy tayo tomorrow. But yeah, sobrang busy tayo tomorrow. And then merong practice mga boys sa kanilang football practice. So, ang maghahatid sa kanila bukas is ang aking asawa. Dahil ang practice nila is starts at 6 o'clock. Kay Natalia is 5:30 to 6:30 yung kay Natalia. And yung kay Troy at saka kay Caleb is 6 to 8. Kaya medyo yeah, magiging busy tayo. And actually, magiging busy tayo for a couple of weeks dahil yung practice ni Chad, ni Troy at saka kay Caleb is magiging like 2 weeks. The whole 2 weeks is practice nila. So ang magiging vlog natin, it's about sa practice. Ay nako, I'm hoping na hindi kayo magsawa dahil so yun ang magiging natin, bali dance si Natalia, practice ng football. So ito na yung magiging ko until November na to, guys, dahil kasi November pa matatapos tong football if ever na ma-qualify sila sa championship, ganon. So yeah, but anyways, so yan ko na ang vlog, guys, and madali ang vlog lang tayo today dahil medyo late na rin ako nag-start ng mag-vlog dahil nga inaano natin na maging okay tayo today. So, hopefully, maging 100% okay na tayo tomorrow. And, para maging, yung ating pagbablog. Wow. But, yun. So, good night, guys. Thank you, guys, so much for watching. And, I hope to see you again on the next vlog. Good night, guys.